This month's Digital Junk Journal Kit Club is featuring Au Revoir, our French collection, basically inspired by maybe taking a trip to France, enjoying the countryside, taking a walk in the towns. And so we've got a beautiful vintage imagery and ephemera to celebrate this collection. So along with the digitals that you will be emailed, you will also receive Happy Mail. This is something new that we're doing. We had started it, I think it was last month, and I just thought it would be nice for you to actually receive something physical in the mail. So along with our Digital Kit Club, you will receive something similar to this. So we're kind of doing like a Paris theme for this month, and I put together kind of like a little mini booklet that you can then put, you know, tags or pieces of paper in. So let me go ahead and show you what I've got. So this is some blue ribbon, and then we've got a tea-stained little paper heart doily. We've got a little fabric bow with a rhinestone. And this cardstock, this is Prima cardstock from the Tales of You and Me collection. And I've got it stitched. On one side is a light purple tulle, and on the other side is this beautiful floral lace here. And it's basically set up for you to make a little mini book, a little mini purse, and you know, you can, you know, sew your papers right down here, and then have your closure here, or, you know, tie it off with the ribbon, you know, for your closure. You could even, you know, just glue that right on there. And then inside I put together just a few pieces of fabric that you could incorporate into your junk journal or whatever project that you want to make. Basically, this will be like a little mini project that you can make using the digitals along with these items, and put it in your junk journal, or this could be your little mini junk journal. You know, put some tea-dyed papers, the papers from the collection, print them off and put them in here, sew them down the middle, you know, or cut it out, make some little tags, ephemera pieces, you know, add some pockets and just store it in here. And so we've got just some bits of fabric that you could actually use as pockets. You can cut some of this material up and have little pieces and glue them onto tags. I like to add little bits of lace and fabric onto my tags. So that's a great way to use that. And then here's some, it's like a sage green muslin fabric. And so this is great to use. Again, it could be for a pocket. You could cut it in little strips, and, you know, for little embellishments, or to, you know, sew or glue onto your tags or bits of paper. We've got this beautiful fabric here. I just really love the colors. And these colors do go really well with the collection. So, you know, you can leave as is or cut it into a couple of strips and make pockets, or glue bits onto your ephemera, tags, pages. We've got this beautiful eyelet fabric, kind of a very light pink, and this will be perfect. You know, you could even maybe glue it or stitch it along on the inside if you wanted something to kind of hang, or you know, there's all kinds of options. You kind of do something like this if you like something like that to kind of stick out, and you know, put a little bow right there. You know, there's all kinds of things that you can do with it. It's just kind of a mix of fabrics and elements that you can use to go along with the digitals, and you know, this is the happy mail that you will receive. So I thought it would just be something fun. I know several of y'all had asked if we were going to be doing you know, the happy mail, the digital kit with the happy mail this month. So I wanted to put something together so that you would you know, have that. And of course, I'm always open to suggestions. If there are some happy mail items that you would like to receive, let me know, because we can incorporate that into next month's you know, and with next month's theme, and you know, put something like that together so you can receive that you know, for next month. So the digital kit club with the happy mail is $10, which I think is a great deal, because I mean, this alone could easily be $10, $15, $20. And then of course you get all the digitals that you can keep forever, and you can print over and over again on paper, fabric. You know, the possibilities are endless. So I hope that you enjoy this. I will have a link in the description box below so that you can go straight to the my product page with Stripe and purchase this, and I'll email you the digitals, and then you know, put this in the mail to you next week. And if you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Also, let me know of some happy mail items you would like to see maybe for next month. Thank you so much for watching.